Hi, thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Joe, and in this channel we focus on Bible, Israel, and Jewish history and culture. And that is namely the land of Israel, its flora, its fauna, its archaeology, its history, people of interest stories, and what have you, as well as Jewish history and culture, which could encapsulate anything in the diaspora, foods, religious practices, traditions, and what have you. In terms of schedule, I plan to be uploading once a week with some surveys and or questions sprinkled in between, and once a month for a biblical deep dive video like what I've been doing up until now. This channel is unique in that it comes to you from a religious Orthodox Jewish perspective, as well as from a perspective of a tour guide who has guided around the land of Israel for some 15 years, as well as from the academic slant, studying the land of Israel in depth and its archaeology and what have you, and creating a blend, if you will, that truly goes into every nook and cranny on the topic. If that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I look forward to you to joining our community. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day.